We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Hey Lab Squad! Before we get into today's video, we are going to decorate our backdrop. Just get the place a little bit more festive before we dive into our 12 days of Christmas. Our grass backdrop was sponsored by Jamfast. I'll leave the link in the description so you can go over on Instagram and check them out. Let's go! Alright, so I don't really have a vision. I just know that I want these lights to go on the grass, and I'm going to try use the staple gun. Hopefully it will be a success. I am trying to aim for a Christmas tree shape, so I'll be trying to shape out the Christmas tree with the lights. I don't know how it's gonna look when I'm done, but that's the look I'm going for, okay? I am wondering if I should start at the top of the lights, of the tree rather, or the bottom. So I'm going to divide this thingy in half. Let's see if we can just do it with one light, or if we don't need to.
Guys, I don't know what happened, but when I plugged in the lights, they are blinking on camera.
No, I want it to blink.
And these lights are steady lights, they don't blink. They are not blinking in real life, but when you look through the camera, they are blinking. So I was confused for a few minutes. Alright, so I finally got it to stop blinking. I turned off the lights and voila, it stopped blinking. However, I had to change that whole idea, because if I had videoed it, then the video would have been dark and you wouldn't be able to see me.
Alright guys, so right now I have to go on the road, because I just basically waste my time, because the lights, they aren't blinking lights, they are steady. But once I turn on the camera, when you look through the camera's lens, it is blinking, and I don't want to make you guys dizzy, and that would be very distracting for me to be talking and vlogging and you just keep on seeing blinking lights. So we're gonna go to Fontana, because that's the only place that's open right now at this time of the evening, so come along.
Lab Squad, you see why I should have gone away? Tell me why I coming to Fontana, and I found a parking spot, so I put on my indicator and I was reversing in the spot, and of course you know there's a lot of persons up here. The car behind me, because first when I found the right at the car behind me was too close, so I pulled down and I found another one and I was going down while me I turned to go in at the spot. No, the man that run up in the back of my car. I just gotta get this and go back home, because luckily the sound made me frightened, you know, because it was like boom. I mean, I say what is, but when I go outside, it's not that bad. It's just the bumper clip out. So I just took his number and you know make sure say I film number, dial it back and everything. So tomorrow I'll just show my father and my brother and see if them see any new dent or scratch, and if then I'll just call him back. But thank God it wasn't too serious, because I did frighten, I never know when I go run at the back and see. But anyway, let's go back into fun. Let's go into Fontana. Once up my loan we're gonna take up and come straight back out and up and reach back home, because like the road is hectic now because it's Christmas time. Everybody I rush, everybody I try to do million and one things. So yeah, me I'm going to Fontana. Not yet. I'm looking for leaves. Alright, Lab Squad, so we reach inside. I'm looking for like a poinsettia kind of tree. Hopefully you can hear me. That I can use the leaves to put on the backdrop. So that's what I'm looking for. Maybe I can use this. 1, 2. How much will I get? Let's do it. Alright, Lab Squad, I'm back. You know, some can just do the video like this. Welcome to Lab Squad 12 Days of Christmas. It's your girl, Point to the Setter. Alright, so I'm gonna just hurry up. Lord G, I'm not up myself. I'm gonna just hurry up and put these on the grass behind me. I'm going to plant these. So just give me a few. And then we'll get straight into today's video. Sorry for the delay, guys, but due to technical difficulties, you know, we just go with the flow. So I'm gonna figure out these, where to put them. I don't even know. I'm wondering if I should just hang it up on this. We are friends.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Hey Lab Squad! We are finally ready to begin Lab Squad's 12 Days of Christmas! Please, nicey? Guys, comment down below. I tried my best. As you can see, the struggle I had to go through, but everything come together in the end. As you know, all things work together for good. For them way. That's right. Guys, have you been naughty or nice this year? Comment down below. I know that I have been very nice, which is why I've decided to host this 12 days of Christmas, because everybody is doing Vlogmas and I have a full-time job. I can't do Vlogmas. I just don't have the time. But I find a little compromise. Instead of doing the 25 days of Vlogmas, I will be doing 12 days of Christmas. So what I'll be doing is posting a new video every single day from now, December 14th, until Christmas Day. You guys, that is a lot of work. I have already had a lot of sleepless nights, but I know that it will be worth it because you, my love squad, will appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm very excited. It's first I'm doing this marathon, and I really hope that you guys will watch the videos and subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe so that we can grow. So next year we can even do bigger and better things. Now, this video is just an introduction to 12 days of Christmas so that you can know what to expect and a few of the surprises that we have in store for you. So guys, for 12 days starting today, December 14th, there will be a new video on the channel. Talk about consistency. I am ending the year being very consistent because me know, because you message me about me not posting every Sunday because guys, work did a lick me left, right and center. But it is a new month. It is December and I'm feeling Christmas vibe. Jamaica have snow, but we are getting a little Christmas breeze, so we are work with it. So yeah, that's basically it. You can expect, I don't want to give it away, I want you to be surprised every day. So 12 days of Christmas, what kind of videos can you expect? Well, you'll be getting a mixture. You'll be getting challenges, you'll be getting travel vlogs, you'll be getting Christmas related videos, and you'll be getting sit down videos. Alright? Like, should I even tell you how many hotels you'll be sitting? No, I'm not even gonna be I'm not gonna tell you. Just know I'm excited, so you should be too. Alright, now to the main part of this video. We will also be having 2 giveaways. It's Christmas and everybody I give away something, so want to my love supporters them. We know want something too. Alright, so let's start with the first one. For the first giveaway, every single video, including this video, there will be a phone card inserted in the video. Now you have to watch the video because you don't know when the phone card is going to pop up. And of course, ensure that you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when the video posts, so you have first dibs at seeing the card number to get it successfully. Now, I will be alternating between Digicel and Lime, and I'm wondering if I should tell you guys when it is Digicel or when it is Flow. We will see. Maybe that will add to the fun of it, because
You're putting it in and you're not sure, and then you get the message that say congrats, credit apply, or you get the message that say wrong network.
we'll see.
We shall see.
Now, there will also be a grand giveaway. Now, this giveaway, there will only be one winner. There will only be one winner, and that winner will be walking away with, today is December 14th. I'm going to wait until later down to Christmas to reveal what that winner will be walking away with. But trust me, you would want to be that winner. To enter the grand giveaway, you're going to comment down below and tell me that you're entering the grand giveaway. You're going to use the hashtag Lab Squad Grand Giveaway. Lab Squad Grand Giveaway with the hashtag pound key, number sign, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's what you're going to do. Then you're going to get 2 persons to subscribe to the channel. 2 of your friends, you're going to get them to subscribe to the channel, and they are going to comment under your comment. So they're basically going to reply to your comment with the hashtag Lab Squad Grand Giveaway. You're going to reply to that and say done. Simple as that. Now if that friend wants to enter the grand giveaway, all them do is start a new comment after them do that and write the hashtag Lab Squad Grand Giveaway. Get 2 more friends and then comment down below and they're entered. Alright, 1 winner will be randomly selected from the comments. And guys, ensure that you like the video and ensure that you are subscribed, because you have to subscribe first before you can go tell other people to subscribe. That's a given. That is a given. So yeah, that is it. We're having 2 giveaways. One is every single day win a phone card and the other one is a grand giveaway. This giveaway starts on December 14th right now and ends on December 25th at midnight. The winner will be announced on December 29th, right before New Year, so that you can get your present before the year done. Alright? Una feel the Christmas vibes? Una feel it? Please tell me say una feel it. Cause me I feel it. Guys, me I feel it. So yeah, this video is just to give you guys, you know, what to expect, what to look out for. Now the videos, they will be posted at different times throughout the day, so ensure that you turn on your post notifications. I'm not going to come and say that every day 1 o'clock. I am not so versed with time, but every day a video will be posted. Alright, so stay tuned. Ensure that you're subscribed and your post notification are turned on, because Lab Squad, the 12 days of Christmas, it turn up. The video them turn up. Trust me, don't miss out a day, because you never know where you're gonna miss. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Lab Squad Christmas, Lab Squad Christmas, Lab Squad Christmas. It's gonna be a Lab Squad Christmas. Bye bye.